Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am. Permission to report the on our group PBL progress for this week. The estimate we have completed are as follow. We have translated the management accounting report into English. We have also translated the product calculation related to this project. We have compiled and filed out the group activity logbook in English. We have received the ACB activity-based costing calculation following previous feedback. We have also begun cheating a PowerPoint presentation which is currently undergoing refinement. The main project poster is still progress and is targeted to be completed shortly. Additionally, we have completed SIGTECH poster design as part of the educational output. That is the progress we can report for this week. Thank you, ma'am, for your attention and guidance, ma'am. Okay, the chapter one, theoretical review number one is definition and classification of cost. Definition of cost in management accounting: cost is defined as the certified of economic resource in the form of money to obtain good or service that support the company operational activity. Uh, Cost classification based on their factor behavior, a relationship to product and function within the company. And number one, fixed cost do not change even if production volume change. Example, building rent, manager salaries. Number two, variable cost increase or decrease in line with production volume. Example, direct raw material, direct labor per unit. Number three, semi-variable cost. A combination of fixed and variable cost, example minimum electricity cost plus additional usage. Number two, cost based on relationship with the product, direct cost. Um, Direct cost can be directly tracked to a specific product, example direct raw material. Indirect cost cannot be direct tracked to a product, example factory electricity, supervisor salaries. Number three, cost based on function within the company. Production cost directly related to the product process, example raw material, direct labor, and factory overhead. Number non-production costs. Non-production costs other than production, such as general administration, marketing, and distribution. Okay, the next definition of cost of goods sold is the total cost incurred to process raw material into finished good ready for sale, inconsistent of direct raw material, direct labor, and factory overhead costs. Okay, the next benefit of production cost. Assisting in decision making calculation profit margin, preparing production budget, and analyzing production efficiency. Uh, Component of COGM. Number one, direct raw material cost. The main material are the physical part of the final product and can be direct tracked. Number two, direct labor cost. Number three, factory overhead cost. And then chapter two about general information on UMKM. The name is the Tempe de Jamin is a family business that has been operating since 1997 and has been passed down from generation to generation. In Italy, known as Mas Joko, the business has now transformed into Tempe de Jamin. The main product produced is tempe weighing 170 grams per package and sold for 2,000 rupiah. In a month, the business can produce around 500 package and the entire production process is management by their employee who are also family members.
The next, uh, in the product description, we have three method for the UMKM Tempe Dijamin. The first is activity-based costing. In the activity-based costing, a costing method that allocated indirect cost overhead to product or service based on the activity used during the production process. And two, break-even point or BEP, the break-even point at which revenue, total cost to profit, and zero, no profit and loss. Conditional occurs when sales cover fixed costs and variable costs.
Next, pricing. Pricing is a strategic process where a company decides how much to charge for its products or service. Uh, Benefit of pricing include first covering all production costs, achieving the company profit target, and then supporting marketing and strengthening the brand, increasing sales by matching consumer purchasing power, attracting customer with price that reflect the product's value, and improving customer satisfaction and competitive. There are three main pricing strategies. First, cost-based pricing. Second, market-based pricing. Last, value-based pricing. So pricing is not just about number, but it's okay part of business strategy that help companies survive and grow in the market.
Okay, next, calculate tempe dijamin cost per activity. Number one, conducting manual soybean washing. Overhead is water. Two, soaking soybean using hot water from the previous tempe boil that already contain vinegar. Overhead is water. Three, grinding soybeans using a grinding machine. Overhead is engine fuel and machine working house. Four, manually cleaning soybeans from the skin. Overhead is water. Five, boiling soybeans for 45 minutes. Overhead is water and wood burning. Six, soybean that have been boiled then removed and drained. Seven, then the soybeans are cooled. Overhead is machine horse and electricity cost. Eight, if it has cooled down, then the soybeans are sprinkled with years. Nine, manual pack using plastic and glue using wax. Overhead is plastic, candle, and employee. 10, and then one day and the product is ready for sale. Next sheet. This is calculate ABC. This is direct material is soybeans and yeast. Next, direct labor. 3 employee. Next, ada overhead is water, combustion wood, solar, plastic, candle, and electricity cost. Next, production activity. First, we calculate the rate of each activity of tempe production. There are 10 activity. The first is washing, soaking, grinding, soybean, skin removal, boiling, drying, cooling, sprinkle with yeast, packing, and delivering. We use cost driver. We use cost driver, use overhead and direct labor hours, and machine hours. Then we divide the overhead cost by the cost driver and find the rate per activity. Next, unit cost base of department ABC. Prime cost is the sum of direct material and direct labor. Overhead cost, then sum up with the calculate of overhead per activity. And then the result is total manufacturing cost, then divided by the number of production unit, namely 500 unit, and then result of the unit cost is 1,784.
Okay. Before calculating the break-even point, we categorize the production cost. Variable cost per unit of tempe is 1,189 rupiah, which includes soybean, water, engine fuel, wood burning, electricity cost, yes, plastic, and wax. The fixed cost per month is 300,000 rupiah, which comes from employee salaries. In preparing the break-even point, we calculate operating income approach. Next scroll. Target income as a dollar amount, and then target income as a percentage of sales revenue after tax profit targets. Next sheet, please. And then is pricing. Then is pricing. We use cost plus markup by using markup on COGS and markup on direct material. At markup using COGS, a percentage of 43.91% is obtained so that the bid price per unit is 2,000 rupiah. This is the same as the current sales condition per unit of tempe. Then we use markup on direct material, and a percentage of 91.52% is obtained. The percentage of markup using this method is greater so that the bid price per unit is 2,666 rupiah, which we make into 2,700 rupiah.
The progress of group project with Tempe Dijamin MSME. March 7, 2025, we collect general information about Tempe Dijamin and interview MSME owner about the production process and cost. The progress, basic data was collected, but some details were still missing. The next week, March 28, 2025, we designed the report in Excel and calculated initial production cost, direct, indirect overhead, and the progress cost calculation start. Excel format needs improvement. And the next week, April 18, 2025, we apply the activity-based costing methods and allocate costs using cost driver. And the progress, activity, and cost driver were identified, but some data need estimation. The next weeks, May 16, 2025, we calculated break-even point and set the selling price based on revised EBC data. And the progress, BEP done, selling price finalized, ABC revised for better accuracy. That's all for our progress. We are now finalizing the report based on ABC and BEP results.
That's all the presentation our group for. Thank you, ma'am. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am.